Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Grange Lane in St. Catherine. Now this road is a very busy road, as you can see. It takes you from Portmore to Spanish Town, two of the busiest places in Jamaica. Now the government plans to expand this road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, making it a dual carriageway. This is one of the major road projects under the CapEx program, and the CapEx program, the government is going to be spending billions of dollars to upgrade 6 roads in the Kingston and St. Catherine area. So this is one of those roads. Now Portmore is going to become a parish very soon. It's one of the busiest places in Jamaica. Probably just the city of Kingston and Spanish Town is busier. And the population of Portmore is growing. Now, Portmore has a lot of land. As you can see, look at the left and right of this road, a lot of empty land. So it's much easier for a developer to build 1,000 homes or 1,000 units in Portmore than other places because there's so much land available. And the units are being built. So by expanding this road, you're opening up this area to a lot more development, and also it will help with the traffic that goes into and out of Portmore every day. And this is one of 3 roads in Portmore that are going to be upgraded. So we are going to go through an article giving you some more information on what they plan to do. Widening and dualization of Grange Lane in St. Catherine will continue during the 2023-24 fiscal year with the allocation of $878 million. The sum is contained in the 2023-24 estimates of expenditure, which was tabled in the House of Representatives by the Minister of Finance and Public Service, the Honorable Nigel Clark, recently. The project aims to improve mobility and connectivity by reducing congestion and loss of time, improve safety, and facilitate conditions for future economic development through water infrastructure and fiber optic ducts for broadband connectivity along Grange Lane. Achievements up to December 2022 include the completion of designs and drawings, award of contract for contractor to undertake widening and dualization of Grange Lane, and issuance of the order of commencement. In the upcoming fiscal year, it is anticipated that construction on the roadway will commence and be completed, and 1,400 meters of fiber optic cable will be installed. The project is being implemented by the National Works Agency with funding from the Government of Jamaica. So that is an update that was put out re Grange Lane. Now, in an article, I don't remember where the article was, but it said that the government was looking for funding from the EU, and one of the projects they listed was this road, but the price tag was 1.1 billion Jamaican dollars. So probably the project has gone up in value from 878 million. So guys, let us know what you think about this project. I think it's an excellent idea. Portmore is growing. You can't hold back the progress that's happening in Jamaica. You have to embrace it. And one of the ways the government can do that is by putting in this kind of infrastructure. Upgrade the road so that people can get into and out of Portmore much easier. Put in a fiber optic. Run the proper water pipes. And you're going to be surprised in a few years how this area is so developed. You have Bernard Lodge, you have Innswood. You have so many areas in St. Catherine that are just expanding rapidly. And Old Harbour is the fastest growing town in Jamaica, and that's because of the highway. So when you put in this kind of road infrastructure, the area booms And Portmore is already expanding nicely. As we said earlier, it's going to become the 15th parish in Jamaica. Not sure when that will happen, but the plans are in motion. But you know, things move at a different pace in Jamaica. Alright guys, so leave your comments in the section below, and of course we will give you updates regularly on this project once they start. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day. We are actually heading back towards Municipal Boulevard now. So Grange Lane merges with Municipal Boulevard right out here by the gas station in the Naga Head area. Or sorry, Independence City area. So this is where it merges with Municipal Boulevard, and Municipal Boulevard is also one of the roads that are going to be expanded under the CapEx program. Alright guys, have a good day.